Hey folks, so in this video I will guide you through how to create a GitHub account. So if you are a programmer or interested in doing programming, and also if you are planning to run open source applications on your desktop, GitHub is important thing to have because you have to clone the GitHub repositories on your local machine and run those things to work with those open source softwares. So let's see how to do that. So first of all, go to GitHub website, github.com, and in here, if you go to top right corner, you see this sign up button. Click on that. So in here, you can either choose these options for sign up, or you can just manually enter your email address and sign up for GitHub. For now, I'm going to manually input the email and sign up, but if you prefer these options, you can use these options. For example, like if you click on this continue with Google, it will redirect you to separate page, and in there you just have to click the link and it will create an account for you. For now I use this option, so add your email here and password. So password should be at least 15 characters long, or at least 8 characters, including a number and lowercase letter. So remember that before you add the password. And pick a username. And click on this create account button. Okay, now it sent code to my Gmail address. Let's see the Gmail. As you can see here, this is the code. Let me copy and paste this. So now, as you can see, account is created successfully. So now add your previous email here that you use for sign up, and password. As you can see, account is created, and in here you can change the options if you want, such as profile settings and other things. So that's it. If you have any question, feel free to comment, and see you in the next video.